Diwali, the festival of joy and lights, the perfect time to showcase your glam side with stunning makeup and hairstyles. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Snimmer and आज हम create कर रहे हैं एक stunning Diwali look to make you shine this festive season. So you guys know that recently I've been ordering so many new products to try out for you guys, and the amazing thing is that I've been really enjoying ordering from Tira, especially the festive makeup. They have an amazing range of makeup and skincare products for your every look, and right now Tira's Big Beauty Party is live with up to 50% off on top beauty brands. So let's dive into this amazing look using Tira's fabulous products. Festive occasion पर flawless base is key. I'm starting with Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation for great coverage that's lightweight and non-drying. A quick tip, dot the foundation, blend well and build up only where it's needed to avoid a cakey finish. Next, using this Makeup Revolution IRL concealer under the eyes. छोटी सी trick, let it sit for 30 seconds before blending for a smoother, long-lasting and better coverage. For the eyes, ये look काफी simple है and anyone can recreate this. I'm using a transition shade from this Swiss Beauty palette, blending it well, then adding a shimmery shade on the lid for that extra sparkle. थोड़ा shimmer eyeshadow eyebrow के पास तक लेके जाऊंगी to open up the eyes. See, इससे look कैसे instantly elevate होगी. To finish the eyes, a quick winged eyeliner with the brown kohl pencil. Winged eyeliner optional है, but it adds a festive touch. Then I will also add the transition shade along the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm using this L'Oreal Panorama mascara. ये mascara काफी volume और drama add करता है lashes को. For cheeks, I'm using this Wet n Wild's Mellow Wine blush. This blush pairs beautifully with Indian outfits. Quick tip, smile while applying for the perfect placement. Finally, Wet n Wild highlighter on the usual areas for that Diwali glam glow. For lips, I'm using this pinkish nude shade. For evening, you can also use a red or wine color and it would also look stunning. And that's it for the Diwali glam tutorial. सारे products available हैं at up to 50% off in Tira's Big Beauty Party, so don't miss out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what more festive related videos you want to see, and don't miss out Tira's amazing Diwali sale. Happy Diwali and happy shopping.